Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to tell you about such a website in this video. On this website you can earn up to $300. You guys can you guys Yes guys, you can easily earn $300 a month on this website. I will tell you all the information about what to do in this website and how you can earn money. After knowing about this website, you guys have to decide whether you guys want to earn money by working on this website or else you guys keep watching on computer screen. So I direct you guys to this website. One hot translation, online translation service by Blim. This name of this website. H1 professional online translation service. Submit your content today to get fast, high quality translation in more than 120 languages. Microsoft, Pioneer, Hydro, Subway, Amazon, AliExpress. Trusted by the best. Facebook, professional online translation service, quick, simple, affordable. Clean Express formal one how translation, make it easy to enjoy, efficient, affordable professional online translation and editing service with our easy online translation service and global network of translation. You will enjoy a fast turnaround and reliable results for any size project any subject matter. Use cases service pricing business general business content from 0.096 world marketing $0.30 depending on your project. We offer you different levels of service to choose from with an option to choose industry specifies expertise that first your needs. Some of the project we offer: website translation 3000 words from $400, legal documents 15 page 5000 words from $620, government certificate translation $80 per page, PowerPoint presentation 300 word $40, 10 Google ad translation by an ad expert $140, mobile app translation by gaming expert 2000 words $240. Language pair: the language you translate to and from will impact your translation price. The rates for translation increase for more or language pairs as there are fewer translators available and their services are in high demand. The cost of living in the country where the language is spoken also plays a role. For example, English to Spanish has a Lower translation rate per word than English to Japanese, as there are fewer Japanese translation and the cost of living in Japan is higher. Freelancer. World class community of localization talent. Our hand-picked blenders community is made up of our 25,000 professional voice talents and translation from around the world. Apply as a translator, apply as a voice artist, apply as a translator. So you guys can earn money in all these ways of you guys can do this, then you guys can earn money from this website. Full name, email, country Pakistan, password, I agree to the sign up. Working on this website is not a difficult task. If you guys work on this website with little time, I hope you guys can earn more than $300. Create your account on this website and work on it and earn money. It's also very easy to create an account on this website. You just have to create a profile, your native language, Urdu, your second native language English, translation skill. If you would like to be notified about new translation project, please update your skills by selecting language below. English, target language Urdu. Translation skill. If you would like to be notified about new translation project, please update your skill by selecting language below. English, then next. Resume, required ID documents, relevant certificate, a single second copy of all your relevant certificate. Create your account on this website and work on it and earn money. It's also very easy to create an account on this website. You just have to create a profile. I will only tell you information about this website and also tell you how to create a little account. So in this way you guys can create your account on this website and earn money by working on it. So how did you guys like this video of mine? If you guys like this video of mine, please like and share it.